how to find the square of a number. Now listen carefully. Can I say that suppose for example I want to find square of 3969. Listen carefully, very easy concept. 3969 square I need to find. Step number 1, because I am finding the square root of a number, start from the rightmost digit. After 2 places put a slash, right? After 2 places put a slash. Now if I put a slash after 2 places, this number is ending with 9. Any perfect square ending with 9, the number should end with 3, because 3 square is 9, or it should end with 7, because 7 square is also ending with 9. First of all, after putting a slash, this is the first part, this is my second part. There are 2 parts of 2 digits, therefore the answer will be having 2 digits, right? The answer will be having 2 digits. The unit digit of the answer is nothing but either it is ending with 3 or it is ending with 7, because just now we discussed 3 square is ending with 9, 7 square is also having unit digit of the perfect square as 9, right? Now what is the tens place in the answer? Now listen carefully. To find the tens place in the answer, I will come to the second part of my split, right? I will come to the second part. 39 is the value. What is there in the second part? 39 lies between which 2 perfect squares? 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. 39 lies between 36 and 49, which is nothing but 6 square and 7 square. Take the smaller number always. Take the smaller number. Smaller number is 6. So my answer should be either 63 or it should be 67, right? My answer should be either 63 or it should be 67. Out of 63 and 67, let us check which is the correct answer. One question I am explaining you in detail, sir. You can get the answer very easily after my first question. Now 63 is correct or 67 is correct? Let us check it out. Now see here, 6 is my tens place. Multiply that 6 with my next number 7. 6 into 7 is 42, right? 6 into 7 is 42. Now whatever number you have in the second part, if that second part number, if it is less than this number what we got right now, my answer will be the smallest number. If that second part number is greater than the number what we got, my answer will be the biggest number. 39 is actually less than 42, therefore the answer should be lesser number or the smaller number. Answer is 63. I believe the idea is clear, right? Answer is 63. 2 more examples, sir. Do not worry. First question I went very in detail. Square root of 5329. 5329. Step number 1. Put a slash after 2 places. It is ending with 9. Answer should end with either 3 or 7. Second step. Step number 2, this leftmost part 53. 53 lies between 7 square 49 and 8 square 64. 7 is the smallest number. Answer is either 73 or it is 77. Now again very easy to solve it. I got here as a 7. Multiply with next number 8. 7 into 8 is 56. Take this particular question, whatever we have 53. If this 53 is less than 56, my smallest number is the answer. If that value is greater than 56, largest number is the answer. Because 53 is smaller than 56, answer is the smallest number 73. I believe it is very easy, sir. You don't need a pen to solve all these questions. Without using pen, you can easily solve all these questions, provided little bit of practice is required. Suppose, try to tell the answer for this question. Square root of 5476. Now again same logic. Any number ending with 6, the answer will end with either 4, because 4 square is 16 ending with 6 and 6 square is 36 ending with 6. Put a slash. Now my tens place is missing. 54 is what I have. 54 is nothing but 7 square and 8 square in between 54 is there. So I can definitely say that 54 lies between 7 square and 8 square. Smallest number is 7. Answer is 74 and 70 or 76. Now 7 into 8 is 56. 54, is it less than 56 or greater than 56? This number is less than 56. take the smallest number. Answer is 74. I believe that the idea is very, very clear, sir. Right? Do not complicate things. Mathematics or aptitude is never a complication if you are learning through concepts. If you are not learning through concepts, yes, you will definitely struggle and make it a very, very difficult concept, right? In fact, difficult problem solving. One more example. Try to tell me the answer, sir. I don't think my student deserve pen. I am writing just because for you to explain and understand. 7921 square root. Make a group of 2 digits ending with 1. Answer should end with 1 or it should end with 9, right? Now tens place, 79 lies between 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. Smallest is 8 square 64, so it should be 81 or 89. Take this number 8, multiply with the next number 9. 8 into 9 is 72. Now this particular 79, is it greater than 72 or less than 72? It is greater than 72. Answer should be the greater number 89. Simple. Answer should be the greater number 89. Tell me the answer for this question, sir. Square root of 16384. Square root of 16384. Same logic. After 2 places put a slash. It is ending with 4. 2 square will end with 4. Next 8 square will end with 4. Answer should be either ending with 2 or ending with 8. Right? Now see here. Next. The next group of digits is 163. 163 lies between 12 square is 144, right? 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, right? 13 square is 169. Take the smaller number 12. So answer is either 122 or it is 128. Same logic again I will implement. This 12 I will multiply with next number 13. 12 into 13 is 156. This 163, is it greater than 156 or less than 156? It is greater. Answer will be the greatest number. Simple. Simple way of solving, sir. Let us not at all make it complicated. We should never make it complicated in solving these varieties of questions. Suppose this is a 5-digit number. Let us work with a 6-digit number, for example. Square root of 204, 304. Square root of 204 and 304. Now see here. Same technique again I will implement. After 2 places I will put a slash. Any perfect square ending with 4. Answer will end with 2 or answer will end with 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. It is either 2 or 8. Now same logic again I will implement. 2043 is what I have, right? 2043 is what I have. Now think logically. We just found out by using 45 square logic. Half an hour, 45 minutes I discussed. 45 square is 5 square is 25. 4 into next number. 4 into 5 is 20. It is 2025. Similarly, you can find 46 square. You will get some value. But and smaller number is 45 square. That means answer should be either 452 or it should be 458. Now check out of 452 and 458 which should be the correct answer. That means I will take this number 45. I will multiply with the next number 46. Now forget about 45 into 46. 45 into 45 is 2025. 46 means add another 45 for 2025. 2025 plus 45 is nothing but 2070. This 2070 is nothing but 45 into 46. Now this number 2043, is it less than 2070 or greater than 2070? 2043 is definitely less than 2070. Answer should be the smallest number. Answer is 452. As the number increases, as the number of digits increases, slightly the complexity also will increase, but the complexity never arises if you know all these methods which we have discussed earlier. Yes, complexity do arise, but if you don't know the concept what we discussed earlier, once you know it, it is never a difficulty, sir. Next, we discussed multiple things in squares. Next, how to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number. To find the square of a number, we discussed a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, we will use a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, do not change the order. It is a cube 3a square b 3ab square and then b cube, right, and then b cube. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Listen to this very very carefully. Two examples I will discuss. Suppose for example I want to find 32 cube, right? I want to find 32 cube. A is 3, B is 2. A cube is 3 cube 27. 3a square b. A square is nothing but 9. 3 into 9 is 27. B value is 2. 27 into 2 is 54, right? It is 54. 3ab square. 3 into 3 is 9. B square is 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 9 into 4 is 36. B cube is 2 cube 8. Same logic, whatever I implemented, I am using here also. Take down the unit digit 8. Take down the unit digit 6. Carry forward next 3. 54 plus 3 is 57. Take down the unit digit 7. 5 is remaining, carry forward. 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 cube is 32768, right? It is 32768. One more example if you are not clear. Suppose I want to find 24 cube. A, split it as A and B. A is 2, B is 4. A cube is 2 cube 8. 3a square b. 3 into 4 into 4, which is 48. 3ab square. 3 into 2 6. 6 into 16 is 96. B cube is 4 cube 64. Take down the unit digit 4. 6 is carried. 102 it becomes. Take down the unit digit 2. 10 is carried. 58 it becomes. Take down the unit digit 8. 5 is carried. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13824 is nothing but the cube of 24. Very very easy, sir. To find the square of a number, we discussed a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, we are implementing a plus b whole cube. As simple as it can be. I hope the idea is clear. Idea to find the cube of a number should be very very clear for you people. Next concept. Listen carefully, sir. Next concept. How to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. That means if the numbers are closer to 10 power k, something like numbers are closer to 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or such kind of numbers, how to find the cube of such kind of numbers? Very very easily. The concept used here is b plus x whole cube. B plus x whole cube is given by b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube, where x cube and 3x square, last two positions should have k digits. Last two positions should have k digits. Sir, what is this k? K is nothing but, b value is nothing but, it should be written on the form 10 power k. B is nothing but the base. It should be expressed in the form of 10 power k. This k digits, k is nothing but the power of 10 in the base. B plus x whole cube is given by b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube, where last two positions should have k digits. Now you will understand it better when I take some numerical values. Suppose for example I want to find 104 whole cube. 104 I will express it as 100 plus something. 100 plus whole cube is nothing but 104 whole cube. B value is 100, which is 10 power 2. X value is 4. Substitute here. B plus 3x. 100 plus 3 into 4 slash 3x square. 3 into 4 square. X cube. 4 cube. If I simplify further, 100 plus 12 is 112, this is 48, this is 64. Now, what is that they are saying? Think logically, sir. The last two positions should have k digits. K is nothing but power of 10 in the base. 100 is nothing but 10 power 2. K value is nothing but 2, right? K value is nothing but 2. Last two positions should have 2 digits. Is 64 written in 2-digit format? Yes, it is. Is 48 written in 2-digit format? Yes, it is. Remove the slash, you will get the answer. 1124864 should be the answer for 104 whole cube. Very easily, within one step or two steps you will get the answer. I believe that first problem is very clear. 104 whole cube is 11124864. Suppose, let us keep taking multiple questions, sir. 1002 whole cube, let us take. 1002 whole cube is 1000 plus 2 whole cube. B value is 1000, x value is 2. B plus 3x, 1000 plus 3 into 2, which is 6. 3x square, 3 into 2 square, which is 4, slash x cube. 2 cube is 8. If I simplify, this is 1006. 3 into 4 is 12. 8 I will write it as it is. Last two places should have k digits. 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3. K value is 3. Last two places should have 3 digits. Is 8 having 3 digits? No, it is not having 3 digits. Make it 3 digits by putting 2 extra zeros. Is 12 is written in 3 digit format? No. Make it 3 digits by putting extra 0, 1 extra 0. Your final answer is 1006 012 008. Very fast you can get all these answers, sir. These questions are never a difficulty if you are good in concept. B plus x whole cube is given by b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube, where x cube is written in 2-digit format. I believe the idea is very clear till this point of a time for you. Idea clear, sir? Now, what is the heading? Cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. That means the number should be nearer to 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or whatever it is. The numbers nearer to 100 is not 104 only. It can be less than 100 also. The number can be less than 1000 also, right? Let us take numbers which are less than 100 or 1000. Now see here, sir. Suppose for example, I will take a 996 whole cube. 996 whole cube is 1000 minus 4 whole cube. B value is 1000. Let me write the notation for you again. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube. Last two places should have k digits, right? Last two places should have k digits. In this particular question, b value is 1000. X value is how much? It is minus 4. Do not ignore that negative. If you ignore negative, there is a chance that your marks will become negative, right? Do not ignore negative. Now see here, sir. If I substitute, b value is 1000. 1000 plus 3 into minus 4, it is minus 12 slash 3x square. X is minus 4 whole square, which is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. Last place is x cube. Minus 4 whole cube is minus 64. Now think logically. 996 is a positive number. If I cube a positive number, will I get a negative, sir? No, I will definitely not get a negative if I cube a positive number. That means I don't want this negative sign. I should convert this negative to a positive sign. Suppose for example, again think logically. Suppose for example, in our school days we were studying like this. 31 minus 17. 1 minus 7. 1 will not be subtracted from 7. So what we will take is, we will take 1 borrow from this person. If I take borrow from my neighbor, it becomes 11. Think logically. I am taking 1 borrow from this neighbor. How can it become 11? That means this 1 whatever you took from your neighbor, it is expressed as 10, and 10 plus 1 became 11. How can 1 be equivalent to 11? Right? We all did this in our school days, but unfortunately many people don't know how that 1 which we borrowed became 11 eventually. Think logically again, sir. This is only because of the reason that 31 is written in base system 10. 17 is also written in base system 10. That means whatever 1 rupee which I am asking my neighbor, it is equivalent to asking 10 rupees because the base is given as 10 in my example. Same explanation here also. The base in my question is 100. The base in my question is 100. I want to make this negative person as a positive person by giving some extra money to him. What I will do is, I will borrow 1 rupee from this neighbor. If I borrow 1 rupee, that 1 will be equivalent to how much? That 1 will be equivalent to 1000, because base system is 1000 in this particular question, right? Base system is 1000 in this particular question. 1000 minus 12, it is 988. If I borrow 1 from this person, it becomes 47, and here I have 1000. 1000 minus 64. 1000 minus 64 is 936. Last two places should have k digits. 1000 is 10 power 3. It should have 3 digits. That means this last position already has 3 digits. 47, write it in 3-digit format. Final answer is 988047936. This should be my final answer. Whenever you are taking borrow, 1 borrow is equivalent to 1000 in this question, because the base is 1000. I will also take few more questions so that my students understand it much more better. Suppose, for example, now see here, suppose 98 whole cube I need to find. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Base is 100, b value is 100, which is 10 power 2, x value is minus 2, b plus 3x, 100 plus 3 into minus 2 slash 3x square, 3 into minus 2 whole square, x cube, minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Every person who did not understand my previous question, listen carefully, sir. 98 is a positive number. When I cube a positive, will I get negative 8? No, I will never get negative. Okay, let me simplify. 100 minus 6 is 94. 3 into 4 is 12. Then minus 8. So I want to convert this negative person who is having negative value to a positive person. Let us all be happy. Let us all be positive in life. So what I will do is, I will borrow 1 rupee from this person. If I borrow 1 rupee, 1 rupee is actually equivalent to 100 rupees in this case, because my base system is 100 in this example. If I take 1 rupee, 1 rupee is equivalent to 100 rupees in this case. If I take 1, first number 94 still remains. 1 is taken outside, it becomes 11, and then 100 is there for this person. 100 minus 8, how much he has totally right now? 100 minus 8 is 92. He is having 92 rupees. Last two places should have k digits. 10 power 2, last two places should have 2 digits. Already they are in 2-digit format. Remove the slash. That should be the answer. As simple as it can be, sir. With a little bit of practice, you will be super fast in solving this question. Samir Roy, there is a slight mistake what you have done, sir. You did not deduct 1 from this person. Please take care of that 1 deduction. Divya, why are we borrowing? Simple, right, ma? This is our school level understanding. Minus will not be there, should not be there, right? When you cube a positive number, is there any chance that you will get a negative number? Definitely you should not have a negative number. Same thing, 37 minus 17, I told you example, right? 1 will not be subtracted from 7, so I will take borrow. Same thing what we did in school days, I am doing here also. Nothing change, no change in the approach. Why are we taking borrow? To make a negative number positive, to make a negative person positive. Suppose, for example, I am a person who does not have money. I am a person who does not have money. I want to be positive in my life by having money, so that it will help in so many good things in my life. I will borrow some money from my person. Yes, that is a good thing. When I borrow some money from my person, from my friend, that person who had 100 rupees, he gave me 20 rupees. Now he will be having 80 only. He will not have 100. Same logic here also. Now, one last question in this concept. Beautiful question. Please put a star mark for this question, sir. Beautiful question. Suppose I want to find a 92 whole cube. I want to find 92 whole cube. 92 is 100 minus 8 whole cube. Base is 100, which is 10 power 2. X value is minus 8. Now, b plus 3x. 100 plus 3 into minus 8 slash 3x square. 3 into minus 8 whole square slash x cube minus 8 whole cube Simplify further. 100 minus 24 is 76, minus 8 whole square is 64, 64 into 3 is 192, minus 8 whole cube is minus 512, right? Minus 512. Now everyone listen carefully, sir. In my previous question I had minus 8. I took one borrow from this person. One is equivalent to 100 because the base is 100. 100 minus 8, it became positive. So I did not further borrow anything from my friend. What is the case in this particular problem? I have minus 512. Suppose I will borrow one from this person. One is again equivalent to 100 in this question because the base is 100. Now I got 100 rupees from my friend, but I have a debt of 512 rupees, negative 512. 100 minus 512 is still negative. I will take 2 rupees borrow. 200 minus 512 is still negative. 300 minus 512 is still negative. 400 minus 512 is still negative. If I take 5 borrow, 500 minus 512 is still negative. That means to make my person as a positive person, the borrow which I need to take is 6, because 600 minus 512 will become positive. I believe the idea is clear. So it is 76. 6 is taken out from this person. It becomes 186. And then 600 minus 512. It is 88. Last two places should have k digits. K is nothing but power of 2 in 100. 100 is 10 power 2. Last two places should have 2 digits. Yes, 88 is having 2 digits. I will write it as it is. 186 is having 3 digits. Write down only 2 digits. 86. Carry forward 1 to the next bit. Answer is 778688. A beautiful question which illustrates the fact that the borrow need not be 1 always. It need not be 2 always. It need not be 5 always. It depends until and unless I make my friend as a positive person. And it also illustrates the fact that there is no need. In our previous to previous question, we added some extra zeros so that I will get k digits as my values in the last two places. Here I have k digits. I have extra than k. I am carry forwarding. It depends on purely numbers whether to put some extra zeros to make it k digits or to transfer some extra digit to make it k digits. A beautiful question which will teach you so many things in one question itself. I believe that how to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k, it should be very clear for my students. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people, sir. How to find the cube root of a number? Listen carefully again, sir. How to find the cube root of a number? Everyone please pay complete attention. How to find the cube root of a number? Now everyone please see here, sir. How to find the cube root of a number? See here. Same logic whatever I discussed there in square root, I will implement here also. Unit digit of a number will range from 1 to 10. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 8, 9, 10. If I cube all these things, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27 ending with 7, 4 cube is 64 ending with 4, 5 cube is 125 ending with 5, 6 cube is 216 ending with 6, 7 cube is 343 ending with 3, 8 cube is 512 ending with 2, 9 cube is 729 ending with 9, 10 cube is 1000 ending with 0. Now there is a learning with this particular concept what I wrote here. Listen carefully, sir. Can I say that any number ending with 1, the answer will always be 1. Answer will end with 1. A number if it is ending with 8, answer will end with 2. Right? Answer will end with 2. Or a number if it is ending with 2, answer will end with 8. Now let us make it a little simple. We wrote a concept in our squares called as a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. I believe that you remember this logic. A perfect square never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now observe carefully, sir. Only these four numbers 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only these four numbers 2, 3, 7 or 8. When I cube it, I will get their tens complement. That means tens complement is nothing but 10 minus 2 is 8. If I cube 2, it will end with 8. If I cube 3, tens complement of 3 is 10 minus 3, 7. It is ending with 7. If I cube 7, it will end with 3. If I cube 8, it will end with 2. Only these four numbers 2, 3, 7 or 8. When I cube it, I will have different digits at the end, and those different digits are nothing but the tens complement of those original number 2, 3, 7 or 8. Remaining are not there. See here, other than 2, 3, 7 or 8. If I cube 1, I will have 1 only as the unit digit. If I cube 4, I will have 4 only as the unit digit. If I cube 5, I will have 5 only as the unit digit. Similarly, 6 will have 6 itself, and then 0 will have 0 itself. Only these four numbers 2, 3, 7 or 8. When I cube it, 9 cube also will end with 9 itself. Only these four numbers will have different digits, and those different digits are nothing but tens complement of those different digits. I hope the concept is very clear before we start taking some of the cube root questions. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Now see here. 3 to 4 questions we will take. In fact, cube root is much more easier than square root. It will give you the answer in seconds. Now see here. First question I will explain you in detail. Cube root of 6859. Right? Cube root of 6859. Because we are finding cube root, keep a slash after 3 places, right? If we find square root, we will keep after 2 places. If we find cube root, we will keep a slash after 3 places. Simple, sir. Right? Now, this number is ending with 9. Cube root of a number ending with 9. Answer also will end with 9. Right? Answer also will end with 9. Now, think logically. When I put a slash, there are two positions. This is the one position, this is the second position. Answer also will have 2-digit number. Simple, right? Answer also will have 2-digit number. Now, think logically. This part is over. Why this part is over? This will help you to find the unit digit in the answer. Now, that part is over. Take the next part. 6 is there. Now, this 6 lies between which two cubes? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 6 lies between 1 and 6. 1 cube and 2 cube. Take the smallest number. Smallest number is 1 cube. That one, write it here. Answer is 19. Few more examples, sir. Answer for this question is 19. Suppose, for example, cube root of 17576. Cube root of 17576. Can I say that after 3 places I will put a slash? This is ending with 6. Answer also should end with 6. 17 is what I have. 17 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube and 3 cube. Smallest is 2 cube. Write the smallest number 2 here. Answer is 26. How simple it can be, sir? This is what I want you people to study or learn beautifully. Tell me the answer. Cube root of 74088. Cube root of 74088. Keep a slash after 3 places. If it is ending with 8, tens complement of 8 is 2. Answer will end with 2. 74 lies between which two perfect cube? Which two perfect cubes, sir? 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. Smallest is 4. Answer is 42. Smallest is 4. Write down that 4. Simple. Tell me the answer for this question. Cube root of 592704. Cube root of 592704. Keep a slash after 3 places. If it is ending with 4, answer also will end with 4. 592 lies between which two perfect cube? 592 lies between 8 cube and 9 cube. Smallest is 8. Write down 8. Answer is 84. Simple. It is never a complication, sir. These are all very easy way of solving it. It is never a complication. Suppose, for example, let me take slightly higher number. Suppose, for example, cube root of 1404928. Cube root of 1404928. Keep a slash after 3 places. Keep a slash after 3 places. Now, can I say that there are 3 different partitions? Because there are 3 different partitions, answer will be of 3-digit number. Right? Answer will be of 3-digit number. Last is ending with 8. It is ending with 8 means Answer should end with 2. 8 tens complement is 2. Now think again logically, sir. Forget about two different partitions for this. It is 1404. 11 cube is 122 1331 and 12 cube is nothing but 1728. That is one of the reason I told you should know cubes minimum till 15, right? So 1404 lies between 1331 and 1728. Smallest is 11 cube. Answer is 112. Very easy, sir. Answer is 112. Last question probably in this particular concept. I believe that my students can answer it very fast. Cube root of 3869893. Cube root of 3869893. Make a group of 3. Make a group of 3. That means answer should be a 3-digit number. If it is ending with 3, tens only when 2, 3, 7, 8 when cubed will give you a different tens complement digit. So it is ending with 3. Tens complement is 7. Answer should end with 7. Now 3869 is the remaining number. I know that 15 cube is nothing but 3375. 16 cube, this is something which you also know it, sir. 4096. 3869 lies between these two values. Smallest is 15. Answer is 157. Suppose for example, cube root of 2299,968. Cube root of 2299,968. Now Ravi Kumar, make a group of 3. Totally 3 partitions are there. Answer will have 3 digits. Step number 1, I think it is clear. This number is ending with 8. Answer should be tens complement of 8. It is 2. Now the remaining digits are 2299. Right? 2299 is the remaining digits. Now think logically, Ravi Kumar. Which numbers when I cube? Which two cubes will lie between 2299, right? Which two cubes will lie between 2299? That is what I am interested in finding. Can I say that 12 cube, okay, 13 cube, suppose for example, can I take 13 cube as 2197, right? 13 cube is 2197, Ravi Kumar. Similarly, 14 cube is 2744. That is exactly the reason I told you should know the cube till 15 minimum till 15 you should know. That means this particular number lies between 13 cube and 14 cube. Smallest is 13. Put that 13. Simple, sir. Sir, you will make it simple if you know these values. That is the reason I emphasize this point. Square till 25, cube till 15. Minimum is a must for any competitive exam. You don't know this, you will struggle. Simple, sir. We took first question as cube root of 6859. It is ending with 9. Answer should end with 9. 6 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. Answer is 19. You answered within 1 second. You answered this within 1 second. But I took another question which is 1404928. This is ending with 8, so it is ending with 2. This is nothing but 1404. You will think little. 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is 1728. Yes, 11 is smallest. You answered this in 1 second. You answered this in 3 seconds, for example. With a slight increase in number of digits, time will definitely increase, right? Anshul, I believe that you are there with me. Definitely you can solve an 8-digit number, provided you know cubes. A reverse question for all of you, sir. How many cubes do you know? Cube of how many numbers do you know? Learn the cube till 100. I am asking you a question. Learn the cube till 100. Forget about 8-digit number what Anshul has asked. Forget about 9-digit number what Divya has asked. You can probably till find the cube till 30-digit number also or 20-digit number also. We never know it. I believe it is clear, sir. You should know something so that you will solve something else. Simple and straight. I believe everyone is clear, sir. Exactly. Samir Roy has hit the bullseye. Samir Roy said so beautifully, we can find cube root of any number if we are aware of cubes of any number. You need not delete it, sir. Yes, Rahul, he is in TEDx. Very good. Keep watching Arthur Benjamin Very beautiful shortcut, sir. I am a very huge fan of him. Same is the case with Anil sir also.